Hey everybody, welcome to another episode. As you see, JoJo's here.
Hi kids.
A little change of pace here. Instead of talking about RV stuff and all those problems, we're going to do something fun today.
Fishy. Something very fishy.
You're going to see what that's all about. I apologize we didn't have a video last week, but there's a lot going on, and I'm going to fill you guys in on that in a couple of weeks. Yeah, a few changes coming.
I'm one of them.
Well, you change all the time. It just depends on the personality that comes out. Anyway, so join us. We're going to go have some fun. And like you said, it's a little fishy.
It's a little fishy.
Okay, here we are.
3, 2, 1.
Here's where we are. This has been going on for 57 years, and I haven't been here for
57 years.
Probably 15 of them at least. At any rate, we'll show you guys around. I have great fresh seafood, a bunch of old family recipes, and you can buy a bunch of stuff and take it home.
Fresh oysters.
But we're going to eat and drink a bunch here. Right, Joe?
No.
Quite a bit. So it works on a ticket system. You got to buy all your tickets for your food and drink. I smell the key lime pie. Okay, everybody, I got to be honest. This is Joe's favorite. I personally can't even stand the sight of them.
I have to sit here and eat
But you got a little more than a dozen oysters. Raw oysters. You happy, Joe?
No idea.
To me, it's basically snot on a shell.
You're bothering everybody working.
While she inhales these things, I'm going to step away.
Yeah. Give me 3 minutes.
Okay, got our sauce.
Baby crab. You're going to do it.
She's sliding.
And then put it on top of my oyster. Bon appetit.
Can't do it. Alright guys, I just can't do that. I don't know, maybe many of you can. That is the nastiest thing you get out of the sea. And I'll eat just about anything out of the sea, but not those. So you're going from oysters to this.
Oh, this has got my name on it. Some woman walked by and said that, and I believe her. I'm going to get ground.
Look, you can even touch the ground.
I know.
Your short little legs.
Shut up. 10? Right? One paycheck for all men. I know.
Or this won't fit in the toy hauler. Cheers, everybody. So we're almost comatose from all the food we ate. We just had a big basket of shrimp.
Fried shrimp.
And now we're washing it down. And then we're going to go get some lobster bisque and clam chowder.
And then...
How are you feeling from all those oysters?
Happy. And then we're going to also get fresh fish to take home. Lots and lots of fresh fish. Yeah, but I'm sure there is some. It's a seafood festival.
Yeah, it's a drink and eat festival, not a shop at home and cooking.
Okay, well then I'm out. See you.
Okay, guys. Now we're on to lobster bisque and clam chowder. Chowder. How is it?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay. A+. Okay, everybody, as you can tell, we're a little more tired.
And a little fuller.
A lot fuller. We ate our weight in seafood.
Yeah.
Or something like that.
Something like that.
Sorry,
Per
yeah.
pound.
Yeah, we're full. So that was a lot of fun. We learned a little bit about this Grant Seafood Festival. As I mentioned before, it's been going on for 57 years, and 100% of the people working it, or that's all the people shuttling people back and forth, is all volunteers. And they do this for two reasons. It's to help the local community, but most importantly, they do it to raise money for the local kids that can't afford to go to college, and they send them off to college.
How amazing is that?
Isn't that great?
Yeah. Big cause.
So Grant's a tiny little town here in Florida on the coast, Atlantic coast. So I think it's a great thing.
Yeah.
They've raised, I forget what he said, millions of dollars over the 57 years in helping kids, local kids, go get a full scholarship, or not scholarship, but a full college education. That's fantastic. Are those your friends?
Yeah. Got my herd behind me. My buddy.
So that's a great thing. A lot of communities should be doing something like this. If you're ever in Grant, we highly recommend this, right?
Absolutely. It's fun. Yeah.
The music was great.
The music was great.
Now, all the food, these are not restaurants that come here and do this. These are actually local people, and they have their family recipes. Obviously, this is a fishing village, so these people know how to cook some fish. And shrimp. And
shrimp.
And scallops and lobster.
Soup. Gumbo.
Oh, yeah, everything. And it is so good. Some family recipes here, and this is really good food.
Yep.
Something you will not experience or get anywhere else.
Yeah.
So I highly recommend you guys coming here. Again, there's a lot of updates coming up in the RV world for us. We can't wait to share with you everything that's going on, and all the updates with everything that's going on with my rig and that kind of stuff. So stay tuned, that's coming. We just wanted to get a video out there that had nothing to do with the RV life.
that had nothing to do with anything.
Well, it had to do with my bucket list day.
Absolutely.
And before we go, we got to remind you, don't forget to hit that little like, subscribe, and ring that little bell to let you know we're putting out another video.
Right.
So thanks for tuning in, and make it a great bucket list day.
See ya.
Bye.